Hello everyone, it's Aaron again, back with this is finally, it's been a while since I released content for this, but finally a devlog part 2 of Nevaro, the RPG that I've been working on. So, I've gotten a lot of progress. The demo itself is almost finished, but I still have some more content to work on. Here you can see the introduction sequence, and I'll just let this play out for a little bit. I try to keep things kind of vague on purpose, knowing that I'll release more lore to the play. I don't want to be too I'm trying to think of the word for it, but I don't want to just like throw all the exposition at the player right away. I want them to kind of find out through context, the kind of the things going on in the plot. Here you can see there are hazards, overworld hazards. This is a laser system. It's telegraphed by a little beam that shows up first. You can disarm traps with levers in this game. That's how you disarm the lasers there. And the overworld enemies, they run into you and then you enter the turn-based combat, and I think I covered that last time. But yeah, as you can see, I've gotten a lot of work done as far as animations, and well, not animations, but sprites and battlebacks. Yeah, there's kind of a lot to look out for in this game. Things can kind of jump you from wherever. And Artyom has this kind of his own special ability. I find it kind of funny. It uses all of his skill points, but it's a one-shot kill. You have to, dodge obstacles. I worked on this level for a while, and there are things that chase you down. Find treasure. It's like a basic old school dungeon crawler, kind of like old Willow. I guess I'd compare it to Willow, or people have compared it to old Legend of Zelda games, which admittedly I've actually not played a whole lot of myself. But as you can see, it's not like you're walking in grass at Pokemon and suddenly out of nowhere you're fighting a Pidgey. It's something runs into you. You can see there are hidden areas here. So I like to have kind of multiple routes to get to destinations in the way of like secret routes and stuff. You can find food. This is how you replenish health. You don't progress in the game by grinding for XP. Rather, you find items by exploring or defeat monsters with powerful weapons, which you can take and become more powerful yourself because of it. So progression in this game, it rewards the player for fighting things for items and also for exploring for treasure. So it's more focused on the overworld and the exploration than it is on the grinding and the XP and the combat. And as you can see, you can find multiple paths to get around obstacles, as I described earlier. And so I won't give away too much of those. This is the battle back for the grasslands area, and here you see as I said, there are overworld obstacles, not just in the way of lasers, but just other things you have to watch out for. And then as I said, there'll be multiple routes towards things. This guy won't let you pass without a certain item. Yeah, once you get close enough to something, or once you pass a certain area that I've marked, it'll alert a certain monster designated to that area to chase you. So it's like you kind of have to avoid getting too close, and then once you do, you have to try and figure out a way around them. There are boss fights. This is like a mini boss. He's the bandit captain, and as you can see, he's got a frost hammer. And once you defeat him, hold on, wait a minute. Yeah, I skipped forward, and once you defeat him, you get his hammer. So as I said, you progress in this game by defeating powerful monsters or by exploring. And now that you have his hammer, it gives you the skill, the icicle strike skill. So I have an event checking that if you have that hammer equipped, it gives you the icicle strike skill. And so you get more power. Yeah, so you get more powerful by exploring and by defeating other monsters, rather than by grinding. And that's kind of how I want my game to be, is to be focused on the exploration and the you know, the story rather than turn-based combat. And thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it.